Okay, so Alana is going for her first motorcycle ride.
At
least it's with my buddy Mike.
Okay.
That's the main thing. Y'all pumped
Feels
the rest,
good?
Lan?
Now, if you want this down, you can put it down. You need to put it down once we start going because I don't want bugs getting in your eyes, alright? Open the vents. Hang on. Alright, let's go.
Whoa.
You're going to get gloves here in a second.
All right.
Oh, crap. That's my kind of fire.
It's a fire!
Gloves?
You think carefully. That's what Sammy does too. If something happens.
Your first ride, and it's not on a bullshit bike either.
Take care. Oh.
Huh? Nah. No.
I'll rev it a couple times when we come back down.
Yep.
And you can jump.
And you can pop a wheelie coming down the hill with her.
Dad? Dad? You want to put glasses on?
Oh, yes, definitely.
Here. I'll do it for you. There's a bug inside the
That way
helmet.
she doesn't have to. That way she doesn't have to put the visor down if she doesn't want to.
Try to hit your ears. If you don't, they'll still stay on. There you go. Just push up.
You almost ran into me, Sam.
The advantage to keeping the visor open is your face stays cool. When you close this, if you have to, your face gets very warm.
There you go. Have fun. Thank
And
you.
if you want to go quicker on when you're on pavement, tell Michael he'll
No,
you.
I'll be on.
You do what you want, Mike, but if she
Now,
says
once you
quicker,
get on,
okay.
your feet here, you'll swing your other leg over here. This strap is to hold on to.
Okay.
This, it's beyond sturdy. You can't fall backwards. So sit on it and lean on it. Hold on to that.
Be
If
comfortable,
you get
yeah?
nervous, yes, you can hold on to me. Now, don't do anything, remember? Two things. Hold on to my back. Grab me, or you can grab that belt. See the belt? All right. Okay, ready? Here we go.
My baby on a bike.
I felt the same way, but you know what? It's Michael. Yeah, and that's why I trust Michael takes Sam out. They go for hours.
Now that's a fire.
I don't know what's going on or anything else. And they're good.
That's a fire.
That's not even nothing compared to what we're going to get going on.
Oh, I know. Linda, you did that. You rock.
You want a glass of Arbor Mist, or are you sticking to your red wine? I'll drink my Arbor Mist out of whatever kind of glass this is.
Yeah, we definitely have to document this.
What'd you say? Loser. Who you call a loser? Loser. Here, Sam. Come on, fire me. Come here, Sam. Come on, Sam. You can do it.
Walk up to it and throw it off.